So after about 10 days since ordering it, the part has finally arrived in the on my local dealership, and I went to pick it up the other day, and all it consists of is exactly as you see here. It's a bag with 2 bolts and 2 clips and a package with the mudguard itself. No instructions, so we'll have to figure this out as we go along. It actually fits behind the existing mudguard, and I managed to spot one on an RT in the Motorcycle Live exhibition earlier last week, so I know where it fits. So what I'll do is I'll go and find some space and go and install it. So take the bike out, remove the number plate. Number plates bolted into these 2 holes here, and the mudguard is likely to be using these 2 holes here. So the bolts will go through from this side and then onto the mudguard, and the clips should be mounted on here for us to bolt into. Should be a fairly straightforward and quick activity. Off we go. Forward, very quick. So, having lined up the bolts on the mudguard to the bolts on the bike itself, we will, should be done in a few minutes. Just line it up to behind, see the bolts coming into view. And then there we go, there's the first one. Just line it up a little bit better. There we go. Okay, and then just make sure it's aligned up and down and centrally. Perfect, and then just tighten it up. And that's it, job done. And I'll just put the number plate back on, which doesn't need to be filmed of course, and yeah, that's the mudguard put on. We'll now watch it over the next couple of days and see if that's reduced the amount of road grime we get blown back onto the back of the bike.